Hi, I'm Aaron from Classic Vacuum. Today we have a video on how to assemble your R27P Riccar. We've opened our machine. In our box we have the handle cord assembly, the wand, the hose, and a couple attachments, as well as the paperwork. First thing we're going to do, we're going to turn around, look at the back of the machine, and we're going to remove this screw. It's a Phillips, probably a number 2, I don't know. Next we insert the handle. Cord hook goes towards the back of the machine. The switches go towards the front of the machine. And just get it seated nice and tight. Tighten that down. Next, I like to attach my hose. First, I attach my hose down here. There are 2 clips on the hose that align with the 2 clips on the housing there. Make sure that's seated and clipped. Give it a little pull, make sure it's not going to come undone. Then we attach our wand. There's an arrow to indicate the point where the latch mechanism is. Lines up here with the quick release button tab. Kind of wiggle it in place, and you can, a lot of times you can hear it click in place there. Now we're locked and loaded. The wand, it just sets in place. And now we have a new mechanism of attaching the attachment. So this is new for this model. Before we didn't have a place to store this attachment. Now we can store them both here. Finally, wrap your cord. We have quick cord release mechanism here, and then the lower cord hooks down on the bottom. Thank you for watching my video on how to assemble your R27P vacuum cleaner. If you have any questions or issues, you can leave a comment below. You can email us, you can call us, whatever, stop in and see us. Thanks again for watching.